No credit card is needed, so I know I have a lot of younger subscribers, so you don't even have to worry about that. Don't call your mama and tell her you need her credit card information. You don't even need a credit card.
Yeah, feelings so deep in the feelings. No, say you really like me. You control my anxiety. Listen to the heart go. Ladies came.
What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. We at 100K. Who would have ever thought we would be at 100K? But so anyways, I am going to get straight to the video, and I'm going to tell you guys about this subscription box called Pinch Me. I'm pretty sure you guys, if you haven't seen other YouTubers review this box, but it is, yeah, called the Pinch Me box, and it is a free subscription where you can try like free of the top brand products. They have like the little trial size test trial, like things in this box that you can get. So in this box that they sent me the directions on how to become a pincher, which is what you guys do if you are interested in signing up and getting this subscription box. So the first thing that you will need to do to become a pincher is to complete your member profile and tell them more about yourself, and then they'll match you with products relevant to your lifestyle. So say if you're my age, you like beauty stuff, they're gonna send you, of course, like, you know, hair, face, like body things. Or if you're into food, they're gonna send you more like food trials. Or if you have, say you're older and your parents want to do it, they have young children, you can say that. They might send you like baby stuff. So you have pets, they'll send you like pet stuff. So this is a really personal like subscription that I think everybody should really like look into. You don't have to pay for anything. You don't even have to put your credit card on file. So the second thing that you have to do is choose your samples. So on Sample Tuesday, you will choose samples to add to your Pinch Me box. It also says no credit card required, which is what I just said. And then the last step, you will give them feedback. So you'll try the products for free. In exchange, they'll ask you for some of your time and plenty of your opinions, okay? And what other things I have on here is it's 100% free all the time, so no credit card required, and shipping is free on every box. Then they say it's not your average box, so enjoy a variety of free samples. There's something for everyone at Pinch Me. Also, Pinch Me perks, you get special perks including partner offers and exclusive sweepstakes, and yeah. Anyways, yeah. This is honestly pretty decent. So I'm just gonna tell you guys what they gave me and show you guys. They had some little confetti in here, so it was really cute. So the first thing that they sent me was this Dove exfoliating body polish. It's crushed macadamia and rice milk. So I guess you use this in the shower and then rinse it, I guess, to make your body soft. Pretty cool, pretty cool. So yeah, they also sent me a Blister Cushions. So I guess like if your shoes like rub against like either the side or the heel of your feet, which is really like big for me because a lot of my shoes rub against the back of my heels. So you will place these like, oh, that's so cool. Fits like a second skin, stays in place. I have 2 heel ones, 2 side of the foot, and 2 toe ones. That's so cool. Oh my goodness. I opened this box and I didn't even look at like everything. I just looked at it and put it back. But this is actually kind of decent and I can use this. So shout out to them. Okay, what else did I get? I got dry eye relief. I experienced that sometimes. How'd they know? Okay. So this is some eye drops. Use as often as needed for dryness, soothes, redness, and moistures. My eyes do get redness a lot because of the eyelashes that I wear when I put makeup in the corner of my eye. That tends to make my eyes red. So look at them. Look at them helping a sister out. Yes. What? Okay. Okay, they sent me some coffee that goes in a little Keurig. So I don't drink coffee unless it's from like Starbucks and it's like a caramel frap, and I don't get that often. So I'm just gonna give this to my dad and hope that he drinks it and hope that he likes it. But yeah, Maybe if I was a college student, I was stressed, but I'm not that stressed yet. So, anyways, they sent me some Skittles. Ah, okay. Sweet Heat. Fruity flavors with a spicy kick. Sizzling strawberry, blazing mango, lemon spark, flaming orange, fiery watermelon. I've never seen these Skittles before, but we're going to try them out, okay? What else did they send me? They sent me the Biore, or what is it? Biore? I don't know. Charcoal cleansing cellular water. No need to rinse, oil-free, removes makeup, deep cleanses pores, and refreshes. Oh, that's so cute. So this is pretty decent. I can take my makeup off with this, and it's like a charcoal mask in the form of like liquid. That's awesome. They also sent me another baking soda cleansing water. It's the same thing. That's pretty decent too. Look at them. Okay, they scoped my page out. I didn't even have to answer any questions. They did it. Okay. They sent me a charcoal self-heating 1-minute mask. This does not sound safe. I don't want nothing heating up on my face. But we're going to try it out anyways because, yeah. Okay. I'm going to try it later. Oh, more food. Trying to make me fat, huh? They sent me some brown rice with garlic. Alright, so I don't cook, so I will gladly give this to my mother. I really do appreciate it, pinch me, but my mother said it looks good, so I'll let her cook that. I'll taste it and let you guys know how it is. Yeah, so this is really nice. They did customize this box for me. So if you guys were to be interested in this subscription box, of course, you would answer questions and a whole bunch of surveys about your lifestyle and what you'd be interested in receiving, because you guys would be members and subscription holders with them. So your items may be a little bit more personal. Mine are personal as well. So yeah, I see a lot of Pinch Me stuff. Pinch Me does, I did read up that you will not get a box every single month, but you should get them like every other, every 2, and they come on like Sample Tuesday, so they say it's the second Tuesday of the month, and the more questions they're able to like figure out like what you like and stuff is you're more likely to receive a box the more questions you answer on the subscription. So I am going to go check out the website and see if I can subscribe myself and get some boxes, and then maybe I'll do reviews every month when I get a box and show you guys. But this is my first box that they sent me, and I thought it was really cute. So as you guys can see, these are not any generic brand items. You will get like the leading brands, like you had the Biore or whatever it's called, you had Dove, you had coffee, you had Skittles, you have like food brands that you see every day. So it's not like generic stuff. So they are sending like leading brand items, and I think that's pretty cool. So I think you guys should go down to the link that's customized that basically says Sa sent you, and you guys should be able to get straight to the subscription in the link below, and all that good stuff. Once again, no credit card is needed, so I know I have a lot of younger subscribers, so you don't even have to worry about that. Don't call your mom and tell her you need her credit card information. You don't even need a credit card. Just sign up, and then the shipping is free, so there's no money coming out your pocket. So yeah, so I just put you on. So that's the end of this video, and yeah, shout out to Pinch Me Box, and I am out of here. See y'all.